1809.56, equal to the formula 4
Surface
times
area of a
pi
sphere.
times radius squared.
4 pi r squared.
First, our students have crafted some perfect spheres. Let's use these to explore the concept of surface area. To start our investigation, we will cut one of the spheres exactly in half, creating 2 hemispheres. Next, we will measure the diameter across the circular cross-section of the hemisphere. Our measurement shows that the diameter of this sphere is 20 centimeters. With the diameter known, we can now determine the surface area of the entire sphere. The formula for the surface area of a sphere is A equals 4 times pi times the radius squared. Since the diameter is 20 centimeters, we find the radius by dividing by 2, which gives us 10 centimeters. Now we substitute our radius value of 10 into the surface area formula. The calculation becomes 4 times pi times 10 squared. This simplifies to 4 times pi times 100, which equals 400 pi. To get our final numerical value, we multiply 400 by pi, using approximately 3.14159. The final surface area of the ball is approximately 1,256.64 square centimeters. Now that the math is complete, it is time to go play some basketball. That was a great game. Let us explore the surface area of a sphere in the classroom. Now let's move on to our next set of practice questions, focusing on the surface area of a sphere using basketball. Here we have some students wrapping basketballs. The goal is to determine the radius if we know the area of the paper required. If we know the total surface area of the paper needed to cover the ball, we can reverse the process to solve for the radius. We can use our standard surface area formula, A equals 4 times pi times radius squared, to find that missing radius. In this example, the students have determined the total area of the wrapping paper is 1,809.56 square centimeters. Next, we divide both sides by 4 times pi to isolate the radius squared. Solving for radius squared, we find it equals approximately 144 square centimeters. By taking the square root of 144, we determine that the radius of the ball is 12 centimeters. This method works well for any sphere where the surface area is known. Sometimes, we can also relate the surface area of a sphere to that of a cylinder with the same radius. If we have a cylinder with radius 8 centimeters, what would be the surface area of a sphere with that same radius? To solve this, we substitute 8 centimeters into our sphere surface area formula. We can make this substitution directly because the sphere and cylinder share the same radius. It is important to remember that this is correct only when the cylinder's height is equal to twice the radius. Okay, the surface area of the sphere is calculated using our familiar formula with a radius of 8 centimeters. Okay, the surface area of the sphere is 4 times pi times 8 squared, which is 256 pi. Okay, the surface area of the sphere is approximately 804.25 square centimeters. Yay! We solved it correctly as we understood the concept well.
Hello there, math friends! Want to make learning mathematics super fun and easy? Then make sure to like this video and share it, and hit that subscribe button to Animated Maths for All. You rock! You rock!
Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All.